Okay, today we are going on a really fascinating journey inside the human body to explore the female reproductive system. We're going to uncover its incredible power, really understand how it all works, and, of course, learn how to keep it healthy. So, you ready to become an expert? Let's dive right in.
Now, before we really get going, I just want to make one thing super clear. This is a journey into the amazing world of biology. Seriously, we're here to understand how our bodies function. This isn't about sex, and it's so important to remember every single one of us is unique and our bodies develop at their own pace. And that's not just normal, it's a beautiful thing.
So what's the big deal with this system anyway? Well, it's basically a multitasking marvel with three main jobs. Let's break them down.
Yep, you heard that right, just 3. But don't let that number fool you. These 3 functions are the absolute foundation of everything this incredible system does. So, what are they? Okay, first up, it's like an egg factory, producing these tiny cells called ova. Next, it's designed to be a cozy home, providing a safe and nurturing space for a fertilized egg to grow into a baby. And finally, it is a hormone powerhouse. It creates estrogen and progesterone. These are the chemical messengers that orchestrate pretty much everything, from puberty to the monthly menstrual cycle. All right, so now that we know the what, let's explore the how. It is time for a guided tour of the female reproductive system. So buckle up because we're about to go on a little adventure. Our very first stop, the amazing ovaries. Just imagine 2 little almond-sized powerhouses tucked away in the lower abdomen. I'm telling you, these guys are the real MVPs of the entire system. You see, the ovaries are total multitasking masters. Not only do they hold a person's lifetime supply of eggs right from birth, but they also produce those essential hormones we were just talking about. And once puberty hits, they kick into high gear, releasing 1 egg each month in a process we call ovulation. Okay, next up, the fallopian tubes. Think of them as a kind of VIP transport system for the egg. They have these tiny, hair-like structures that gently guide the egg on its journey toward the uterus. And hey, if sperm are in the neighborhood, this is actually where the magic of fertilization can happen.
And the egg's final destination? The incredible uterus, which you probably also know as the womb. I mean, this is a superhero of an organ. It has the amazing ability to stretch and grow, creating a cozy and safe home for a developing baby. It's pretty incredible.
The uterus is always busy, always getting ready for a potential baby. Each month, it builds up this plush, nutrient-rich lining, just in case. If no baby is on the way, the uterus simply sheds this lining, and that's what we call a menstrual period.
Right at the base of the uterus, we have the cervix. You can think of it as the ultimate gatekeeper. It stays closed most of the time, but it totally knows when to open up, whether that's for a period or for a baby to make its grand entrance into the world. Okay, time to clear up some super common confusion. This slide gives us a great visual. The vagina is the amazing internal canal that connects the cervix to the outside world. The vulva, on the other hand, is everything you can see on the outside. So, now you know the difference. Now that we're basically experts on the anatomy, let's talk about something that's really important: health. Just like any other part of our body, this system can have its own set of challenges. But don't you worry, we are going to demystify them together. From period problems to hormonal hiccups, there are a few common health issues to be aware of. Things like cramps and irregular periods are super common, especially for teens. And while some conditions like endometriosis and PCOS might sound a little scary, they're manageable with the right medical care. The most important thing to remember is that you are not alone, and there is absolutely no shame in asking for help. Knowledge really is power. And now that you're armed with all this information, it's time to take charge of your health. So let's explore some simple yet really powerful ways to keep your reproductive system happy and healthy. Ready for some pro tips? Keeping your reproductive system in top shape is as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Keep it clean. 2. Let it breathe with comfy cotton undies. 3. Ditch the douche. Your body's got it handled. 4. Fuel your body with healthy food and get moving. And 5. Don't forget your regular checkups. Super important. And there you have it, the female reproductive system. A true masterpiece of nature, right? By understanding its secrets, you've really unlocked the power to take control of your health, to ask smart questions, and to advocate for yourself. So I guess my question for you is this: how does knowing all this make you feel more empowered to take charge of your own health? Think about it.